3, 2, 1.
You really got me going. You got me so I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, you really got me now.
Stop right there, criminal scum!
Oh, that's gonna hurt!
Nope.
Gentlemen, don't steal ladies' clothes!
We're gonna make it!
Good.
Oh, that's gonna hurt!
You scoundrel! Off to them!
Seize him!
Nope.
Blimey! One of England's most famous myths has become a reality. As a new king has been crowned, Bob, who appears to be a bald, jaundiced child, has pulled the famed sword right from its stone, which, legend dictates, makes him the new king.
Tiny yellow traitor!